Have you ever found yourself reading an argument and wondering if it's based on solid evidence or just a bunch of assumptions? Today, we're going to talk about how to identify assumptions in an argument. First, let's define what an assumption is. An assumption is a belief or statement that is taken for granted without proof. When you're reading or listening to an argument, pay attention to statements that are presented as facts but lack evidence to support them. For example, if a premise is made in an argument without proof, then that claim is likely an assumption. Another way to identify assumptions is to ask yourself what the author believes about the audience or the world around them. For instance, if an author thinks that all people want to live in big cities and that this is the best way to live, then the author is likely to make several assumptions about this belief without testing its veracity. By identifying assumptions, you can better evaluate the strength of an argument and make more informed decisions. So next time you encounter an argument, ask yourself, what are the assumptions?